Hey everyone, it's Ruth at Ruth's Art Room, and I was just quickly going to show you a few things from my new Gingham and Geese Kit on Fern Hollow printables. I've printed out about 4 pages. It actually has about 24 printable pages of journaling cards, tags, background papers, fussy cuts, all kinds of stuff. It's a great kit, but I just think they turned out really cute. So here's one of the pages of the fussy cuts. There's actually 2 pages. Here's 1 page of the tags, and there's actually 2 pages. And then I included a couple of just 8.5 by 11 background pages so you can double print on anything that you want to do that. It's actually with the tags and things like that where people are going to see the back. Just go ahead and print on the back side as well. And then just here's one of the pages that I printed out. I think there's 15 kind of booklet size pages in the kit as well, but I just think they turned out really pretty. And it's a fall. There's a few little Halloween images mixed in, but you can use these definitely for anything for fall, Thanksgiving, Halloween. It's all just really cute. So I'm going to just put together really quickly. I think we'll do this little tag, the loaded tag, and it does come with an image so you know exactly how to put it together. But let's just do that really quickly. I'm going to put this mat down because I always get glue everywhere, and it doesn't take long at all. You could probably do some of this with a paper trimmer if you want. I'm just too lazy to get it out. I like these Tim Holtz. I know I keep talking about Tim Holtz, but I love the Tim Holtz scissors. They're kind of, I can't really describe it, almost like serrated, teeny tiny serrated edges. So when you cut, you seem to cut more in a straight line. I used the Tim Holtz, the little mini snips last night, and now I can't find the plastic cover for it. While I was filming, I don't know what happened. I gotta look around. But see how you've got the 2 sides, which I think looks nice. Alright, so let's quickly get this going. And I think I'm going to use my Tombow glue. It's about 1,000,000 years old, I think. Sticky, sticky. So first, the larger one goes on. Now, since I used the same pattern for the front and back, let's see here. And if you want, you can do a little extra with some distress ink on the sides. Whoops, let me get some of this. Well, I'll just cover this up. Even though the edges already have some shabby to it, you can always put more. More is always good. I'm just going to put a very thin, whoops, I don't know if you can see that, very thin line of this. It's probably got cat hair in it. Usually everything I make has got cat hair. All right. I'm going to just get a little more of this white off. Honestly, you could use either side of this since I double printed, whichever side works best for you. Just be creative. Oh, that looks so pretty. I like how that looks. And then the rest is pretty just easy peasy. You just put things in where you want. I mean, obviously you can jazz up everything, put lace, layer stuff, but just real quickly, just to show you. And then you can stamp something on there and put it on the front. I guess I'll just go ahead and just put it on the front. See how quick and easy that is? Oops. Yep. I mean, honestly, after you cut it out, it takes, what, just a couple seconds to put it together. And then you could always fussy cut out some of the geese and put in here. All kinds of options. But anyway, just wanted to show you this really quickly. Hope you have a great weekend. We'll talk to you soon. Thank you.